Understanding T-Mobile data dropping begins with recognizing common causes like weak signal strength and network switching. Weak signal strength, measured in dBm, occurs when you're far from cell towers or obstructed by buildings like hills or structures. Strong signals are around -50 dBmers, while weak ones drop to -100 dBmers or lower. Your phone switches from 5G to LTE when 5G coverage is unavailable. This happens because 5G infrastructure is still developing and not fully deployed everywhere, leading to brief data interruptions. Faulty or improperly inserted SIM cards can also cause data dropping by disrupting the authentication process with T-Mobile's network. To troubleshoot, check your signal bars, reboot your device, and use T-Mobile's Coverage Map app to verify proximity to cell towers. First, try reseating your SIM card. A common fix is to ensure it's properly inserted to resolve authentication problems with the network. Manually switch to LTE in your phone's settings to stabilize data if 5G is unstable. This can prevent drops during network transitions. Check your APN settings to ensure they are correctly configured for T-Mobile, allowing proper data connection. For advanced users, consider using a VPN to reroute traffic and bypass network congestion. For rural users, signal boosters can help improve weak signals and reduce drops. While T-Mobile works on network optimizations and 5G expansion, these steps provide immediate relief. Full network maturity with fewer drops is expected around 2028.